Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you just got your Silhouette Cameo 4 and are thinking about how to connect and start using it, believe me, you're not alone. Many of us feel a little confused after removing the machine from the box and seeing the provided supplies with it. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through this entire process step by step, from unboxing the machine to setting it up with the Silhouette software. You will learn everything. So let's jump right in and get your Cameo 4 connected. First, unbox your machine package and remove the wrapping and tape from the Silhouette machine. Note, make sure to remove the tape from inside of the machine by opening the blade housing cover. Now, attach the adapter to the cable to connect it to Silhouette Cameo and the power outlet. You should connect your machine and laptop using the provided USB cable to use the wired connection. Otherwise, you can use the Bluetooth connection too. Now, we are gonna open a browser on a laptop and browse the official Silhouette website to open it. Note, you can simply type the link address you're seeing on the screen or use the provided paper where the website address is written. When you're on the Silhouette machine setup page, select your language. Once you've selected the language, click on Continue. Note, you can also select your preferred language from the list if you want to change the detected language. I assume you are a new user without an account, so we will click the Create Account button to create a new one. Note, if you already have a Silhouette account, then click on Sign In to access your account. On the Create a Free Account page, go to the New Account Information section and enter all information into the fields. After that, you should click on the checkboxes, complete the I am not a robot verification, and then click on a Create Account button. There you go, you have created your Silhouette account. Now, click on the here blue hyperlink to sign in using your new account. After that, enter the email address and password and click on Sign In. Next, click on the Software tab and then press the Machine Setup button. It's time to move forward with registering the machine, and for that, you need to fill in your address information and click Continue. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter the serial number of your Silhouette Cameo 4 machine. Also, fill in the other fields and click on Continue. Note, you can find the serial number on the back of your machine. On the next page, your Silhouette Cameo 4 machine will be detected. So, just click on the Register My Machine option to move forward. Next, you will see the Congratulations, your Silhouette Cameo 4 is now registered message on your computer screen. Here, you just need to click on Continue to Next Steps options to proceed. On the Setup Machine tab, you will see the list of items included with the machine box and basic connection steps that we have already done above. Now, click on the Download and Install Software tab and choose the software according to the operating system you're using. Since I'm using MacBook, I'm gonna click Mac 64-bit, select Allow on the pop-up and wait for the download to complete. Once the software download is complete, open it from the download section and then drag and drop the Silhouette icon to the application folder icon and wait for process to complete. Double-click on the Silhouette tab from the Applications folder and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After registering your machine, you can claim the free 1-month basic subscription by clicking on the Store icon on the Silhouette Studio app. Note, this step is optional and you can do it later. Finally, you have successfully set up your Silhouette Cameo 4 machine and now it is ready to use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.